When you place the Jura E6 versus E8 side by side, you immediately sense that they share the same elegant Jura DNA. Both machines embody Swiss precision from every angle. The symmetrical lines, the polished chrome accents, the subtle play of light across their surfaces. Each one feels like a statement piece, designed not only to make coffee, but to elevate the atmosphere of your kitchen. Yet, when you look closer, you begin to see how Jura has engineered two distinct personalities within this shared design language. The E6 carries a minimalist confidence. Its front panel is clean, functional, and focused entirely on the essentials. The E8, on the other hand, feels more sculpted and refined. The chrome detailing is deeper, the drip tray is more polished, and the display sits more seamlessly within the frame. The E6 blends in elegantly with a modern, understated kitchen, while the E8 stands out as a centerpiece, a machine that looks as premium as it performs. And while I remember, if you'd like to check the current prices or see which model is best for your budget, you'll find links to both machines in the description box below. By the way, if you already own one of these Jura machines, or you've tried coffee from either, I'm honestly super interested to hear your thoughts. Do you lean more toward the E6's simplicity or the E8's versatility? Let me know in the comments because I'm genuinely curious how people feel about the difference. Inside, both models use Jura's thermoblock heating system, ensuring that every cup is brewed at the ideal temperature. The E8, however, includes dual fluid circuits, allowing it to transition from coffee to milk preparation more efficiently. You can move from an espresso to a flat white almost instantly, while the E6 pauses briefly to recalibrate. It's a small difference, but it gives the E8 a sense of rhythm and flow that suits a busy morning or a household with multiple coffee drinkers. When it comes to extraction, both machines use Jura's celebrated pulse extraction process, PEP, which pulses water through the coffee grounds in short bursts to optimize flavor. The E8 enhances this with Jura's 3D brewing technology, introduced in the latest generation. Water flows through multiple layers of the coffee bed, saturating the grounds evenly for a fuller, more aromatic cup. The E6 produces a beautifully balanced espresso, rich crema, deep aroma, and a satisfying finish. But the E8's espresso feels slightly more layered, with a touch more complexity and aromatic depth. The difference becomes even more apparent when you explore the drink menus. The E6 offers 11 programmable specialties covering the essentials: espresso, coffee, cappuccino, and milk foam. It focuses on the classics, delivering them with precision and consistency. The E8, meanwhile, opens up a world of options. Depending on the version, it offers 17 or more beverages, including flat white, macchiato, cortado, latte macchiato, and even hot water for green tea with adjustable temperature. This expanded menu isn't just about variety, it's about precision. The Jura E8 versus E6 comparison really shines here. The E8 automatically adjusts milk texture and coffee strength for each drink type, creating a more tailored experience. If you're someone who loves experimenting with different drinks, I'm genuinely curious which one you think would fit your daily routine better. Would you go for the E8's variety, or stick with the E6's focus on the essentials? Drop your thoughts in the comments because I'd love to see what kind of coffee drinker you are. The milk system is where the E8 truly distinguishes itself. Both machines use Jura's fine foam technology, but the E8's fine foam frother G2 introduces a more advanced design. It automatically varies the milk texture depending on the drink you select: dense and airy for a cappuccino, silky and integrated for a flat white. The E6 produces consistently excellent foam, but the E8's milk texture feels more nuanced, more cafe-like. The E8 also includes an automatic milk system cleaning cycle that runs at the touch of a button, while the E6 requires you to start the process manually. Both machines use Jura's professional aroma grinder, which preserves the bean's natural oils and fragrance while maintaining consistent particle size. The grinder is identical in both models, fast, quiet, and precise, ensuring that every shot is extracted at its aromatic peak. When you interact with the machines, you'll notice a difference in the interface experience. The E6 features a 2.8-inch color display, controlled by tactile buttons. It's simple, clear, and intuitive. The E8 offers a more premium interface, the same display size but with a more refined layout, and in newer versions, touch-sensitive controls. The E8's menu allows deeper customization. You can fine-tune coffee strength, temperature, milk volume, and even pre-infusion time for each drink. It invites you to perfect your preferences, while the E6 keeps things streamlined for those who prefer simplicity. Both machines are compatible with Jura's Smart Connect Bluetooth module and the Joe app, letting you control your coffee from your phone. The E8 integrates more fully with the app, supporting multiple user profiles and custom drink naming, while the E6 offers a more straightforward remote control experience. This is another area where the Jura E6 versus E8 comparison highlights the E8's focus on convenience and personalization. In terms of capacity, both machines share the same specifications: a 1.9-liter water tank, a 280-gram bean hopper, and a grounds container that holds up to 16 portions. The difference lies in workflow. The E8's dual spouts and milk system make it easier to prepare milk-based drinks back-to-back, while the E6 focuses on simplicity and efficiency for espresso and black coffee. Both use Jura's Intelligent Water System, IWS, with Claris smart filters, automatically detecting and managing water quality. Cleaning and descaling are fully automated on both models, guided by clear on-screen prompts and Jura's cleaning tablets. The E8's milk system cleaning is more automated, adding an extra layer of convenience. Ultimately, the Jura E8 versus E6 comparison comes down to philosophy. The E6 is for you if you love coffee in its purest form, espresso, black coffee, and the occasional cappuccino, and value a machine that delivers these drinks with flawless consistency and minimal fuzz. It's the coffee lover's machine, elegant, efficient, and focused. The E8, by contrast, is for you if coffee is an experience. If you enjoy the artistry of milk-based drinks, the flexibility of customization, and the feeling of having cafe-level control at your fingertips, it's designed for those who want variety, convenience, and refinement in equal measure. And before we wrap up, I'm super curious which one you'd personally go for: the E6 for its simplicity or the E8 for its versatility. Let me know in the comments, because I always love reading what kind of coffee setups people are using at home. Both machines deliver that unmistakable Jura flavor: rich, aromatic, and beautifully balanced. But the E8 layers in an extra dimension of versatility and sophistication. Choosing between them isn't about which is better, but about how you like to enjoy your coffee. The E6 gives you the essence of Jura distilled into simplicity. The E8 gives you the full expression of Jura's innovation and indulgence. And if you'd like to check the current price of either model, you'll find direct links in the description box below. Either way, every cup feels like a small act of perfection.